Let me ask you something. If the formula disappeared, would you still know what to do? If the numbers changed, could you explain why the method works? Or would everything fall apart? There is a difference between knowing something and understanding it. Memorization stores information. It remembers steps. It repeats patterns. But it does not always know why. And when something changes, memorization struggles because it depends on memory, not reasoning. Understanding connects ideas. It sees relationships. It rebuilds knowledge from first principles. If you forget a rule but understand the reason, you can recreate it. That is the difference. You know you truly understand something when you can. Explain it clearly. Adapt it when conditions change. Rebuild it if you forget it. Teach it to someone else. If knowledge disappears when the problem shifts, it was memorized. If it adjusts, it was understood. At Clear Thinking Academy, we are not chasing answers. We are building thinkers. Reason before result.